Hello guys, now coming 6.6 promotion, so we're going clearance promotion giving DM88 Ecovacs robot for floor cleaning one. So here's going robot testing, how it's performing, how many hours can work. So you can see here, so many robots are running into the floor. This is another one, and there is another 3 over here, 4 actually. One is here, 2 is over there. So this one is the Ecovacs deebot m88 model. Which one is the best model was in 2016 among all these robotic brand. So this is the award winning design model. So now all this robot going through promotion, 6.6 clearance sale. So the price you have to check below the link. Alright, so thank you guys.